Hi guys, you are watching channel Mr. Electron, and this what you see is an old car battery, 12 volts 35 ampere hour, and this battery has been lying around for almost a year, and a few days back I filled it with rainwater because it was completely dried out. You can see how corroded the terminals are, how dusty the cover is, and the water, as you can see, is completely filled with the plates dipped, so the water level is fine. It does not needs any more change. So let's get on with the recovery part of this battery. Now guys, if we go for the measurement of the battery voltage, pointing the meter towards DC voltage measurement mode, as you can see, it is showing 6.34 volts. It is deeply discharged, so I will have to recover it. Also, I'm going to try some load before the recovery process. So guys, here I'm going to test run this motor with this battery. Let's see if it can handle the load. You see that it is not even starting it. Maybe the battery is so discharged, because of which, although it was showing 6 volts, the voltage is still dropping. So now I'm going to connect the meter and the motor terminals together to the battery at the same time, and you see the voltage has dropped to 0.153 volts, meaning no voltage left in the battery as soon as I connect the load. So guys, the battery is dead indeed. So let's recover it. Now guys, in my previous video you saw me unbox and review this solar panel, so I'm going to use this very panel to recover my old car battery, and there is a possibility that I might have to leave it for a day or two. And here, as you can see, that it is drawing around 2 to 2.5 amperes. So guys, after an hour I'm going to check the current the battery is drawing from the solar panel. And here, as you can see, that the current is as high as 6 amperes. So the recovery is under process, and the indication is good. Almost 6 amperes this battery is drawing. Let's keep it connected and see what happens, and also check the voltage at the same time. Now guys, I have connected one wire from the multimeter, and the voltage has increased to 14.78 volts, which is pretty good. So the response is good. Let's keep it connected for a bit longer. After 1.5 hours, I have disconnected the battery from the solar panel wires. Now let's check the voltage that this battery has gained, and also try some actual load. Okay, so that terminal is the positive, and here, as you can see, that the voltage being reflected is 11.52. So the battery has gained charged, and it was in the correct direction of recovery. So guys, here I'm going to try the same motor. This is a 24 volts 500 watts motor with a maximum current drawing capability of up to 26.7 amps. Whoa, you see that the battery is working pretty good. So this is how you can recover a completely dead battery by using a solar panel. It is really safe, although you have to take care that the voltage does not go beyond 15 volts, because it is going to be unsafe for the battery. So guys, here I have disconnected the battery again for some time because I wanted to measure the current. At present the sunlight is pretty good, so let's measure the short circuit current this solar panel is producing at the moment, and it is 1 PM right now. So that's the multimeter pointing it towards 600 amperes current measurement mode. Here I have placed one of the wires through the clamp, and the other I'm going to touch it here like this. You see that the current is around 8.9 to 9.01 amperes. Removing the battery terminals. Okay, battery is still warm. Voltage, as you can see, is 12.08 volts, which is almost full charge for this battery. Now let's test it with actual loads. Starting the test with a 12 volts 55 watts car headlamp bulb. Okay, wow, you see that it is working pretty good. It is very hot. So that's that. And now comes this e-bike motor, 27 amperes, 24 volts 27 amperes. Let's check this one. You see, it is running pretty good. Really nice. Once again, And now finally comes the bike starter motor, the maximum current motor that I have. Starting current is around 35 amperes and like the maximum full load current is around 133 amperes. So I'm going to try this one. Well, if this battery runs this motor, then it is actually recovered. Working really nice. Fully recovered battery. You can see how we can use a big solar panel to even recover an almost dead battery. So guys, I hope you learned a lot from this video. Hit like and don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.